In a quiet little town where the rivers flow lives a tiny little gnome named Crawly, don't you know? He wears a green robe from his head to his toes, with a white beard flowing and a nose that glows. Crawly the gnome in his green robe, walking through the mall stores is quite a pro. Behind the counters he roams so free, a little bit of magic for you and me. With a pignet in his hand, he crawls like he's small. Through the shoe store he tiptoes past the jewelry stall. In the bookstore he whispers in the soft moonlight, till the clerks catch a glimpse and he's out of sight. Crawly the gnome in his green robe, walking through the mall stores is quite a pro. Behind the counters he roams so free, a little bit of magic for you and me. Oh, the clerks they wonder and the shoppers they smile at the tales of Crawly spreading joy all the while. With his pignet for trinkets and his heart full of cheer, Crawly brings the magic whenever he is near. In the cafe he sips a thimble full of tea, with a wink and a nod he leaves a treat for you and me. Through the toy store he dances with a hop and a twirl, till they spot him and shout, out you go little pearl. Crawly the gnome in his green robe, walking through the mall stores is quite a pro. Behind the counters he roams so free, a little bit of magic for you and me. So if you see a sparkle and a flash of green, know that Crawly the gnome has just been seen.